It's shown I lost the connection. Right. So fine. Here I'm explaining what do while statement. So I will keep the entire code same. Okay, I'll just do the modification over here. Right. So how will be in do while? First, in do while, difference between while and do while is what? In while statement, the condition will check, then the statement will execute. Whatever we are given in the while statement, it will execute. When it comes to do while, one time that script will execute, means that hello experience will execute first time, then it will check the condition. Okay, first the statement will execute and it will display there in the result in the browser. Then a condition will check. Here at least one time that particular statement will be displayed in the browser, particular that code what you written in the do while that will execute, then for second time it will check the condition. That is what in the do while, right? So start with to do, open, then the same statement I will use document.write. I'll copy this part. Then right, so here what I will do, hello experience. Hello. Okay, this is the code for do while. What I written here? Do followed with document.write hello experience. This one statement, right? This statement will execute it. Okay, though this condition is true or false, right? The statement will execute it. This will be displayed in the browser, right? Then it will move to here, right? Then it will check. Then it will check. A is less than equal to 10. Now this value will be here. Yes, it is less than. Then this code will be executed, and second time this statement will execute. Then incremented value will come here. 2 is less than equal to 10. Then it will execute. Right? It will be displayed. The same statement will execute it. It will loop multiple times. How many times? As we are given 10, so it will execute the same thing in up to 10 times, right? So I will save this one. We go to this while, right? You can see we have seen this 10 statement will be executed there, right? So it will execute it 10 times. This is what a do while is. This is what a do while, right? So if this is clear, then we'll move to for statement, right? If you move for loop, right? So what I will do, I will remove all these things, right? I don't want this part. So what I will do, I will remove this one, and also I don't need this. I will declare, I will remove this one. So for statement now, right? We're trying for statement, right? So in while we are giving the initialization, that is where a equal to 1. Then we are giving the condition like while a is greater than equal to 10. Then we are giving the increment. It is 4 pieces of code to be executed, then increment. These 3 steps we are giving separately in the where while and do while. When it comes to for statement, so all these 3 properties, all these 3 steps we are giving in the same statement. In same statement we are giving. So here no need of declaring, no need of initializing the variable here initially, right? For where, right, a equals 1. We are given the initialization. First step is done. Now we have to give the condition a is less than or equal to 10. The second condition is also we have covered here. The third condition is what? The third step is what? We have to increment. You have to give the increment part. This is what all three steps we are giving in the same statement. That is the reason. So many developers prefer for statement than while and do while. Right. So in for statement, all three steps are giving in the same statement, the same one statement. Right. Now, okay, if it is true, then this code will execute document dot write. Right. Then hello hello execute. So you have to give the break symbol, break tag here. Otherwise, it will display in sequence manner. Right. Close. This for statement. Right. For initialization, condition, increment. If it's true, then this part will execute it. Other will execute. Right. So go to here, save. Then go here. You can see the same result. Right. If you want 100 times, you can give the 100 here. So how many times you want, you can give that value. Okay. Program 2.html. Save here. So the program, open with Chrome. You can see 100 times, you can display the same thing. Right. This is what a for loop is. Right. This is what a for loop.